This bird hunts one of the most dangerous reptiles on Earth. Meet the secretary bird, a majestic hunter of the African plains. Instead of flying to hunt, it walks across the African savanna, diligently searching for its prey. When it finds a snake, its approach is unique. It doesn't bite its venomous foe. Instead, it kicks the snake repeatedly with its incredibly powerful legs, a rapid and precise attack. These kicks are so fast and strong, they can crush a snake's skull in an instant. Even the most venomous snakes struggle to fight back against this relentless assault. That's why the secretary bird is famously known as the ultimate snake assassin of Africa. Subscribe for more wild animal battles.